My queens and my kings, are you struggling with belly fat? Are you struggling with your stubborn belly fat? You tried all the heavy exercise, you are taking tablets, and all this didn't work for you, but right now you are feeling heavy in your body again. Of course, you didn't do it properly. That's why, the weight is coming back. Let's do it together. I'm going to show you guys a perfect detox drink that you can do to lose your belly fat, to burn down your stubborn belly fat quickly, just in 1 week. But do it drink it in consistency, because this drink is very powerful, but it needs consistency for good 1 week to 2 weeks. You are going to get the perfect result that you are looking for. No joking. Please come with me. Let's start. But before that, can we go and check my weight again? Because now we are in December. Let's see by January. Today is what? By January, we'll see that next year. Let's say next year. By next year, we'll see that how many weight am I losing again. So let's check together my weight. You can see it's 91.6.
So my people, you guys can see my weight was 95. Now you can see how kilo am I now. I'm so happy. Anyway guys, let's continue to make our drink. So right now I'm going to start with my apple. That one my daughter was saying that she wants to eat, so after cutting it, children, she say no, she doesn't want again. So I'm starting with the green apple. And also while I'm cutting it, let's start be checking the benefit of these ingredients and be going right. So green apple is rich in fiber. It's also helping flushing detoxing and supporting digestion and gut cleansing, so which is very, very good. Green apple is also helping you to get fullness. Your stomach, while you are drinking, you will feel so full in your stomach. You are not going to be feeling empty, or it's not going to be pushing you for you to put any cookies into your mouth, started eating some things. Because sometimes, if you cannot control your hunger, maybe you can feel so hungry, you need to look for food and eat, or you put cookies. But while drinking green apple, this type of thing, you are not going to be feeling it again. So after green apple, our next ingredient is cucumber. Cucumber also is high water content. It's also deep hydrating and reducing bloating and water retention, which is very good. And also, while cucumber also you are eating it, it will help you to be flushing or you'll be pissing. It depends on everybody body system. You can drink it and you start going toilet, or you'll be going toilet for pissing, only to piss it out, or you'll be sweating, which is very good. It means when you get this type of thing, you are getting signal that is very, very, it means it's very powerful. The thing is working for your body. So now after that, also our next ingredient is lamb. I'm putting 2 lamb, but definitely I will add 1 lemon also. So let's check and see lamb benefit. Lamb is rich in vitamin C, is powerhouse, is boosting immunity and hydrating or activating liver detoxing enzyme, which is very good and is very powerful. Because nowadays we have so many people complaining, or our brothers, our sisters, they are in the hospital having liver problems. So these things is common now. So while you are drinking this thing, it will activate your liver, clean your liver, which is very, very good. So if you know that you are not drinking this type of drink, please start making detoxing to your system or your body. It's very, very important. We need it in our lives. So my queens and my kings, right now our next ingredient is lemon. I'm adding 1 lemon inside. You can add 1 lemon or 2 lemon also. You can add, no problem. It's up to you. Me, the total I'm putting 3, 2 lamb, 1 lemon. So right now, lemon is also alkalizing the body and burning belly fat naturally. Lemon is also supporting skin glowing, which is very powerful and also nice. At the same time, it's also cleaning your liver, which is very, very powerful. My people, when you are following me long time, maybe you will notice I don't throw my pills out or throw it away like that. I have to take all the benefit from those things before throw it away. So I have a orange. I'll add my orange peel also inside, and also there is mandarin. My daughter eats half and leave the half. So the peel also I'm going to add it and make it a tea for myself. So all those things is having benefits, so don't throw away. You can. So right now I'm adding it into my blender. Before you put the things, guys, you see how I'm cutting it small pieces, because if you don't do it like that, you can spoil your blender. When you cut it, even you have to add water also, unless you are using juicer machine. If you are not using any machine to make your drinks, then please always add water into your blender before you blend your ingredient. Otherwise sometimes it will not blend. So now the next thing is ginger that I'm cutting. So let's check and see the benefit of ginger. Ginger also is having anti-inflammatory. It's also speeding up metabolism and burning stubborn belly fat very quick. It's also improving blood circulation, which is very powerful. Ginger, it also helps to heal the sore throat. If you have sore throat, if your throat you have a sore, it's helping it to heal it very quick. So ginger, also if you have gripe and you are drinking it, you can add ginger and maybe onion or garlic, boil it together, or clove, boil it together and drink it. It's very powerful. Ginger is very powerful. So now our next ingredient is orange. So orange peel also, guys, I'm not throwing it away. I'm going to add it to my things and make it tea for myself. So right now let's check and see orange. The benefit of orange also having vitamin C, which we all know that, right? And also it's having antioxidants. It's also improving skin aging and fight fatty. It's having, so which is very good. So and orange also, when you are eating it, it will help you to digest. It will digest things from your stomach for you to get out of the things that is just loaded, packed inside your stomach. You will bring it out. So it's very good. By this drink, guys, mind you people, before you drink this, how to drink it, let me tell you people, the best way that you can drink it on an empty stomach. Okay, after you finish making everything, before you are going to drink it, always drink it on empty stomach. Or maybe you can drink it 2 hours before you go to bed, or before you take your dinner. Sorry, you can drink it 2 hours before you take your dinner, or when you are about to sleep, you can take one before you go to bed. So 3 ways that you have 3 ways to take it. But for me, when you are going to ask me, how are you taking yours? How am I taking mine? I'm taking it every morning, an empty stomach. That's the first thing I'm taking. That's the first thing I'm taking. I will take and sit like 30 minutes to 1 hour before take my breakfast. And also when I'm about to go to bed, that's the time also I will take 1 cup again. But also it's not like it's standing for when you are going to bed. You can take it 2 hours later, you take your dinner, or you can leave it after you finish taking your dinner. When you are about to go to bed, you can take it. But if you don't like to wake up in the midnight, because sometimes when you drink it, you can be pissing, you want to go to toilet piss out. So that's the only problem that I'm going to tell you. So that's the things that now, guys, you can see this is the one. That's this one. I'm going to just drink it right now, because this one I make it this evening, so it's not like 2-3 hours later that we are going to take our dinner. So it's okay, I can drink this one for now, just in front of you guys, just for you guys to see. Okay, yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate all of you. So this is what you see. This thing is glowing your skin while you are drinking it. Your skin is going to change. Your skin tone is going to change. It's going to be brightened and glowing from inside out. It's not like you are going to buy any product, any expensive product to glow your skin, to look something. Anyway, guys, a lot. So you guys also, if you want, you can do research about all the ingredients. Check the description below. You'll see all the ingredients there. If you want to do more research before you start drinking, you do your research. Or you also can start. If you believe me, start using it because it's very powerful. It's working for me. I believe that it will work for you. I was weighing 95 kilo. Imagine 1 month now I lose 4 kilo. I'm not doing exercise, but I'm just eating my normal food. Oh, I didn't limit anything eating. Everything I'm eating as normal, the way I used to eat, but I am losing weight. Can you imagine this? This is very good. It's very, very good. So anyway, guys, you guys should take good care of yourself. I love you all. Bye bye.